everyone, Natasha here, and around my home today I am in my office. We have had a glorious rainy morning. We finally had some storms come through yesterday evening, overnight, and continuing this morning off and on, and we were at record highs yesterday with 110 heat index and a high of 95. So it felt so good to get some cooler air blowing in with the storm, and of course the rain, which we were in dire need of. So I'm so grateful for the beautiful start to the day, and I'm excited because I have this Jordan Essentials July Joyful Jordan box to share with you. As always, these unboxings are a fun way for me to show you some of the unique and exclusive products that are going to come in the monthly Joyful Jordan boxes. And if you're part of my VIP group over on Facebook, then you are getting to see this video early before the end of June. And that way you get to make any changes to your subscription if you need to. And I love being able to share that with you. And if you're seeing this on July 1st, then welcome to all of you. Let's get started on this box in just a moment. So grab something cozy to drink and we'll dive in. Welcome back to my home. I'm so glad you're joining me today for another Joyful Jordan unboxing video. So as I mentioned, I am getting this box a little bit early at the end of June because I'm a Jordy, which is what a Jordan Essentials consultant is known as in our little community. We have the opportunity each month to earn green by 15, which just means I have at least 500 in sales by the 15th of the month. And that lets me order the Joyful Jordan box for the next month early and get it in my hands. I get a chance to just walk through everything with you, maybe try out the products and get a sneak peek before the beginning of that next month. So as I mentioned, this is your July Joyful Jordan box for 2024, and these boxes are always a little box of awesomeness. They make a great gift. They're also full of some exclusive products that you can't get in our regular catalog. So if you're interested in just kind of checking out Jordan Essentials and seeing what we have available, this is a way to try some new and fun things. There are often some items in here that are from the catalog. They might come in a different size or a little bit different formulation, or it might be something new that'll be coming soon, but it's not in the catalog yet. So it's just a great way to check out the company and our products. Of course, everything is made in Nixa, Missouri. We use botanically based ingredients, so it's healthy and safe for you, your family, your home, your pets. That's what I love, is I never worry about ingredients, and I know that anything I'm using from Jordan Essentials is healthy and great for our skin and our bodies, and helps to create that healthy home and toxic-free environment that I'm always going for. So we have a card at the beginning here. Each box will come with a card that'll have either a quote or a Bible verse or something kind of fun on the front. This one says, "Before you start your day, know your bees. Be brave, be bold, be beautiful, be the best I can be." So I think that's really cute. And I like that we have this honey theme with the honeybees on there. And that kind of gives you a peek as to what's going to be in the box. So we'll start out with the oatmeal milk and a touch of honey glycerin soap. So in our regular catalog, we do have an oatmeal milk and honey soap, but this one has a touch extra of the honey. So it's enhanced with a touch of real honey. It helps to provide antioxidants and extra nourishment. Lather up and pamper your skin. Gentle glycerin soap helps keep skin moisturized. So I love our oatmeal milk and honey soap anyway, and we have had this little like honey boosted version once before, I think, in a JJ box. So I'm excited to get another one. These make great bars of soap just keep in the shower, and that's what we do. Like, our whole family uses it. My husband actually struggles with some psoriasis, so this is great for his skin because that oatmeal is going to calm and soothe. Honey is really moisturizing along with the glycerin as well, and the scent is really nice. It's just a subtle, a little bit of honey, a little bit of oatmeal. It's not overly sweet. That's one of my favorite things about this scent, is it's not really sugary. It's just a mild, gentle sweetness. and it's really enjoyable, and everyone in our family loves it too. And you are going to have some pieces of actual oatmeal in there, so as you're showering, those kind of slough off and they can just, you know, help to wash and moisturize your skin. So we've got our bar of oatmeal milk and a touch of honey soap there, that glycerin bar. Next, this is new and I'm excited to try this out. So this is our honey lip butter. It says it provides the ultimate moisture and hydration to keep your lips smooth and soft. Use daily for best results, and it's safe for kids. So we do have little pots of lip balm like this that come in a couple of other scents. Right now in the catalog, I think we have our cherry lip balm that comes like this. And I like that we have this honey version because the cherry isn't my favorite. It's okay, but it's just not my favorite. But I really like this honey one. And you can see this is just a rich and creamy, soft moisturizer for your lips. It's going to go on really soft and smooth and help to moisturize. And I love these little pots because they travel well. You can just throw that in your pocket, in your purse, in your backpack, and you'll have a really easy to grab and go lip balm right there with you in that cute little jar. And then the last thing is our Beautiful Age Defying Serum. So this is an example of something that we do have an age defying serum in our catalog, but this one has the vitamin B5 boost and it's a smaller size. So this is like more of a travel size, and it says boosted B vitamins feed tired skin and add brightness to skin tone and boost the wrinkle reducing power of the popular age defying serum. Apply all over face and neck as part of your regular skincare routine. So I use my age defying serum daily, and it's actually the primer that I put on before my makeup because it's going to help smooth the texture of my skin, help my moisturizing BB foundation just really glide on and have a nice smooth finish. Plus it's got those extra anti-aging properties, and that boost of the vitamin B in this version is really good. So I'm pretty sure I'm going to be stocking up and getting more than one of these July Joyful Jordan boxes because these are all things that we use. Plus, there are these exclusive blends, which I want to have a few more chances to use and enjoy before the box goes away. So I will have everything linked below in the description box. You'll find my special shopping link as a Jordan Essentials consultant, and I always appreciate when you shop from my special links that help me earn a little extra income for my family, and it does make a difference in our budget, so that's always appreciated. Plus, I feel good that you'll love the products. You'll get to enjoy some really good, healthy skincare products for you and your family. And the price of the Joyful Jordan box is $29, and it's going to be valued at $39 or more every month. So you're definitely going to get a good value with the products in the box. They always come with these cute little biodegradable packing peanuts, which just dissolve in water, and they're fun to do little craft activities or sensory bins with your kiddos. And it's just a fun little collection to get each month. These are going to be clutter-free because you can just use them up or even gift them. All the products make a great gift if you need for, want to piece it out and give somebody just the lip butter or somebody just the bar of soap. It would make a great little gift, and you can put it together with other things too. And as always, drop any questions in the comments down below. I'd love to know what you think if you're currently a Jordan Essentials subscriber. Oh, and that reminds me, if you decide to subscribe to the box, so you can always just purchase one box one time, no subscription necessary if you just want to try it out. But you can choose to subscribe, and when you're a subscriber, then you don't pay anything for shipping. So you can choose what day of the month you want your box to ship out. If you need help, I can always help you with that, and you can pause your subscription at any point and just skip a month if you want to do that. But by having the subscription, then you're going to get the free shipping and you get a chance to try these products. If you like having a little bit of a surprise each month, then you can have it ship on the 1st and skip my video until you get your box. And that way you'll have a little box of awesomeness that's just a surprise and a treat for you, and you get to open that each month. So thanks again for joining me. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button down below if you enjoy my Joyful Jordan unboxing videos. Don't forget to check out my special shopping link, and you can see all the other great products that Jordan Essentials offers. Have a good one, and I'll look forward to seeing you next time. Bye.